We're on our way to go take care of a mulberry tree that's kind of splitting at the base, and they just put a brand new shed in there, so we don't want it to fall on the shed. We're just going to take off the side that is by the shed. The other side, if it was to fail, likely wouldn't go on the shed, but they just want to do it, you know, as inexpensive as possible. So we're just going to take down the side that's the most threatening for them. It's technically not even their tree. The landowner behind them is the one that owns that, but apparently they're going to split the cost or something. I'm not sure. That's between them. Let's go get this tree taken care of so it doesn't crush their new shed. Alright, we're out here getting the lift set up on the tree, and it's getting a little breezy on us, so we're going to try to hurry and get this done before it gets too bad. It's supposed to pick up as it goes through the day, but got a mulberry tree here. I'll show you here in a second after the lift gets going. Lift is good. We're over here. Run, Taylor, run. I thought you were running away from the camera. All right, so we got this split all the way down here and here. Good stuff. And then it has a hard lean, goes out over there. They just put this building in right here a couple months ago or so. But another concerning issue is that one back over there, and I figured they were going to do something about it. Let's go take a little bit closer look at that. So this one right here, it's split all the way like this. Split right through here. That's all pretty well rotten wood, no good. On the back side here, it's kind of tried to heal over that and grow back together, but still not real good. And that piece is pretty massive, goes up there, and that piece is also directly over their shed. They don't seem concerned about that one, or at least didn't, you know, seem like they wanted to do anything with it yet. I would certainly say while we're already here we should probably address it, but I guess that's their call. So let's get going. I'm ready for rigging.
You want lanes too?
Yeah, that'd be fine. Yep. I'm gonna chop through some stuff right quick. right, that should be good for a minute. No, oh no. Yeah, it might be better to move it. I didn't know what kind of angle it was going to be, but I'd say just take it back to, I don't know, maybe that hack right there or something. That's fine, I got it. You just need to pull it over on this side and then try to bring it down into here.
Pretty weird, they got the alarm at 10 o'clock.
It's probably a brake or something, I don't know. It sounded like a flood warning or something. You know they've got those gates to close down the river. I wonder if they were closing those gates or something and had to like sound that alarm before they closed it. You're caught up on the fence a little bit. Go ahead and pull that off there. It's just some twigs, but it'll pull on them. He said if we wanted to, we can pull a couple of those posts and pull up sections of fence, but I don't think we need to, so I'm not gonna mess with it. You got all that grabby stuff off there?
Do I?
I said, did you get all the grabby stuff off there?
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, it doesn't take much to bend that little wrought iron stuff, so got to make sure we don't have twigs catching up on it. Very nice. Yeah, that put a dent in it, didn't it? That's good because that wind's picking up, so we gotta get this on the ground so we can deal with it down there while it's windy. Yep, I know for sure that would take it off.
We need a second rope along the mini.
I suppose could. It's pretty much ready to go. I don't know if you can tickle it at all or not, but
I got on that roof, I could.
no, we're not doing that. Sorry about that, camera battery died. Missed a lot of cool stuff of taking down the bigger part of it, but we've got it down. Now we've got Taylor working on the mini and getting stuff out to the dump trailer. So
What, you fixed lens? Oh, you're just rolling. Hi guys.
he forgot to act like he was working. It happens from time to time. Anyway, we got back here. Here's what we've got. Got a bunch of brush back here. Got some logs over there. Got to get all the brush to the brush dump. Don't have enough guys on hand to get all my equipment here in one shot. Not working local, working a little ways away from my house, so wasn't able to get my chip truck and chipper and all that here. Otherwise this brush would be a lot easier to deal with a chipper, but we'll make it work. And then we'll take these logs home and make some good firewood to heat the shop. But here's where that came off right there, and we got it all steered away from the building and the fence over here. So you'll see when the bottom two pieces came off, these are the bottom two pieces. Look at all that included bark. They were just ready to split off. As soon as it hit the ground, it just broke open. I tried to record it, but GoPro said no battery. So anyway, got one more thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take the lift and I'm gonna go up, and they didn't ask me to do it, but I don't feel right not doing it. So I'm gonna take this limb off right here that's down by the roof, because that is on the piece that is all split right here. It goes up there, and it's got that branch that kicks out over there. So this is a brand new building. I don't want anything to happen to it, so we're gonna go ahead and go up there and take care of that for them too. Why? I heard you. Why?
Where they saw like a backpack, so I can cut down grass.
To wear it like a backpack? Okay, put on your murse. Your murse, your man purse.
You hear about that, dude? Chance and Michaela and a bunch of other people. They always see me carrying around my lunch bag.
They give you a hard time about it.
You what?
They give you a hard time about it.
Uh-huh. Alright, got the purse. Sure do, let's go.
The bad thing about working without a chipper is, even with a dump trailer, which is definitely better than I started out with a car hauler, even with the dump trailer, you get full pretty quick when the brush is just all gnarly. So you have to cut it down, and it takes a little bit of time to cut it down. It'd just be a lot easier to deal with it with a chipper. But I just don't have that set up to where I can efficiently get everything to the site yet. That's something I need to work on. During the summer, it's not a problem for me because I've got my son working with me, but he's still in high school, so right now he's at school and I don't have enough people to get equipment to the job. So I guess we deal with it. Alright, so we're getting ready to take the lift out of here. You can see we went up and got that branch that went out over here. I still don't like it, but at least now it may have a small chance of going that way instead of coming over here on their shop. Just it really depends on whether it's a strong north wind or south wind that's making it go when it goes. But they've been a pretty good customer of mine. I'm gonna guess they're probably gonna have me come back and do something later on. But we got the one that they were concerned about that had a hard lean to it. And we just got a little bit left to clean up here, a little bit of rake in, and then get this firewood out of here. So made a pretty simple job out of it. Glad we could help them out. They were concerned about it. They said, you know, we've been having a lot of high winds lately, and they were noticing that it was moving more and more, so it was concerning. Anyway, we'll get this lift out and we'll be about ready to wrap this job up.